morning starts with a bang and shout. Shoes go missing, lights go out. Someone's singing off the tune. Cereal spills, but we'll eat soon.
The floor's a maze, the fridge is bare, but joy still fills the cluttered air. Through every mess, through every chapter, we thank the Lord for the sound of laughter.
The sound of laughter, pure and free. Oh, that's the song of family. Oh, through highs and lows, it's our refrain. Oh, joy that dances through the rain. Oh, every tear and every rafter echoes loud with the sound of laughter.
Little hands and muddy feet, life's a song that's incomplete. Walls with crayon, dreams with glue, plans fall apart, we start anew.
We don't need perfect, just need grace. A little light in every space.
The moment's small, the joy comes after.
In the chorus of our laughter, the sound of laughter, pure and free. Oh, that's the song of family. Oh, through highs and lows, it's our refrain. Oh, joy that dances through the rain. Oh, every tear and every rafter echoes loud with the sound of laughter. We fall apart, we patch it fast. We build our peace, we make it last. Through scraped up knees and love thereafter, we learn to sing through the sound of laughter. The sound of laughter, pure and free. Oh, our song of hope and harmony. Oh, through every storm, through every pain. Oh, we find our joy again and again. Oh, every home and every chapter comes alive